Students, in our previous video, we learned how to find out an hypotenuse which length is irrational number. Or in our previous video, we learned how to find out an irrational hypotenuse. Okay, students. So same logic we are going to use in this video. The heading is showing an irrational number on number line. Okay, so before showing an irrational number on number line, let's recall what we have learned in our previous video. In our previous video, we learned about how to find out an irrational hypotenuse. Let's recall it. Suppose there is a right angle triangle. Now I am drawing one right angle triangle. Okay, guys. Suppose A, B, C is one right angle triangle such that its base is equals to 3 units and height is equals to 2 units. Means if BC is equal to 3 centimeter and height is AB is equals to 2 centimeter, what will be AC? So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square,
which is equals to 2 square plus 3 square, which is equals to
4 plus 9. AC square is equals to 13. Therefore, AC is equals to root 13. So we learned that AC is equals to root 13. We learned how to find out this root 13. Got it? Now same logic we are going to use here to show this root 13 on a number line. Our topic is to show an irrational number on number line. So let's draw a number line first. Hereby I am drawing one number line. Okay, guys, suppose this is a number line. Here I am showing 0 and I have to show various units. So I can show centimeter, millimeter or any random distance also. In this example, we are going to show a random distance between these two ends of divider is equals to 1 unit. So let's try to show various units on number line. So from 0 to this first point, this much distance is equals to 1 unit, right, students? And from this point, let us say it's equals to 1 unit. Now without changing the distance, we can show from 1 to this much distance. This is distance also is equals to 1 unit. But from 0 to this much is equals to 2 units. So this 1 is 1 unit away from 0 and this 2 is 2 unit away from 0. Similarly, we have to show remaining numbers also. Suppose this one 3 unit away from 0, 1 unit away from 2, this one 4 unit away, this one 5 unit away. Got it? Now to show this root 13, we require a right angle triangle such that its base should be 3 unit and height should be 2 unit. So let's consider this 0 as point B. Then 0 to 3 is 3 unit away. So we can say this 3 as point C, means B to C is equal to 3 units. Right, students? Now B to C is equal to 3 units. We require a right angle triangle such that angle B is equals to 90 degree. So how to plot this 90 degree at B? We have to use this protector. Let's keep origin of the protector on point B and let's draw a 90 degree angle. Okay, here I am drawing a 90 degree angle connecting that point and plotting one ray. Okay guys, so here 90-degree angle is created. Now what is required? Point A is required to complete this triangle on this ray. What information do we have about this point A? This point A is 2 units away from B, means we require 2 units. So 2 units we can find, from 0 to 2 is 2 units. So let's take that much distance in compass. 0 to 2 is 2 units. This much is the 2 unit distance. Okay, this distance we require on this line, this ray. So for that what we have to do? Put the tip of the compass on 0 or point B, draw one arc. So from this point to this arc, from this point to this arc is 2 units, means we can say this intersection point of ray and arc is point A. So A, B, C, one triangle is created. A to B is 2 units, B to C is 3 units. So naturally A to C will be equals to root 13 units. So let's connect point A and C. After connecting this point A and C, you can say that distance between A to C is root 13 units. If B to C is 2 centimeter, BC is 2 centimeter, BC is 3 centimeter, AB is 2 centimeter, AC will be root 13 centimeter. Suppose BC is 3 kilometer, AB is 2 kilometer, AC will be equals to root 13 kilometer. So similarly, if BC is 3 unit, AB is 2 unit, AC is equals to root 13 unit, we have to show this root 13 unit on this number line. Means this much distance should be root 13 unit away from 0. As 1 is 1 unit away from 0, 2 is 2 unit away from 0, this root 13 should be root 13 unit away from 0. So for that, let's first take root 13 in the compass. So if I will put the tip of the compass on A and pencil on point C. So this much distance now we can say is root 13. If I will draw one line segment, let's consider as this is point P and this is point Q, and I will connect this point P and Q. How much will be this distance? Naturally this distance is equals to AC, means this distance is root 13. So same this distance we have to show on this line. So this distance is available in compass. We have to show root 13 unit away from 0, means we have to put the tip of the compass on 0 and draw one arc. 0 to this arc is root 13 unit, means this point which is intersecting number line, let's say at point D. This point D is root 13 unit away from 0, means this is nothing but root 13 on number line. Got it, students? I hope you have understood this. Now, if you have understood this concept which we have learned in our previous video, you will easily grab this concept also. So students, your homework is, in our previous video I have given you to find out few irrational hypotenuse like this, right? So same hypotenuse, students, you just have to show on number lines. Plot different number line for different examples. Got it? So I want 4 number lines. Please show me tomorrow. Thank you, students.